how to enable or disable open air command with pen button on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In Quick Settings, tap on the Settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. After that, we go down and tap on S Pen. Then in here, tap on Air Command. From here, scroll down and then tap on Open Air Command with Pen button. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Here on the pen, we can press on the button to turn on. So you need to move the pen closer to the screen. Then when you press it, it will open up the shortcuts, and press on the button again to close the shortcut menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.